This other incident took place in Chicago in 1972. A devotee brought her father to meet Prabhupada. And he said to Prabhupada, he said, I'm a Jew. Is it okay if I come to this temple and hear what you have to say, even though I'm of a different religion? And Prabhupada said, it doesn't matter what religion you are, Jewish, Mohammedan, Buddhist, whatever. It doesn't really matter. And then he cited, he didn't cite it, but he was referring to that verse that says, Savai Pumso Paro Dharmo, that devotional service, the supreme occupation for humanity is devotional service to the Lord. And it doesn't matter what religion you are. And he gave the example of airplanes. There could be many airplanes. They have different insignias, different colors, different names. But if wherever they're coming from, if they're coming to Chicago, they know they have to end up in Chicago. That the goal is to land in Chicago. So in other words, the different religions, if they have the same goal, the love of God, then it's okay. It doesn't matter whether it's a Krishna conscious thing or whether it's a Buddhist thing or a Mohammedan thing. It doesn't matter. If the supreme occupation is the love of Godhead, then it can be obtained by any type of chanting of the holy name of God in any religion. Hare Krishna.